Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an active carrier plan and a properly seated SIM. Open Settings and tap Cellular. This is where the network lives. Once done, make sure cellular data is toggled on so the phone can register with towers. If prompted, install any carrier updates. They update APN and authentication details. You do this first so subsequent steps actually reach the network, and so you avoid repeating configuration later. Next, you dig into cellular data options to set voice and data priorities, and enable data roaming only if you plan to use service abroad. If cellular fails to connect, check APN settings under carrier or use Reset Network Settings to restore default carrier values. This fixes incorrect APN entries. Once you make adjustments, toggle airplane mode off and on to force the modem to re-register with the carrier. That step often clears transient registration problems and applies new settings. To finish, restart your iPhone so all changes take effect and the radio restarts cleanly. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date in Settings General Software Update. Carriers sometimes push provisioning fixes. If signal or data still fails, swap in a known good SIM to isolate hardware versus account issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings to clear cached profiles and saved Wi-Fi passwords. This often restores cellular data when configuration conflicts persist.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.